Prime Minister Narendra Modi received a thunderous welcome from Indian diaspora upon his arrival in Tokyo. As he stepped out, chants of Modi, Modi and Love You Modi Ji echoed across the venue, reflecting the immense admiration and support he enjoys among NRIs. Prime Minister Modi received a spiritual welcome in Tokyo as the Japanese community greeted him with the Gayatri Mantra and other Vedic chants. Japanese artists performed cultural programs while the Indian diaspora gathered in large numbers to welcome the Prime Minister. The event reflected the cultural and spiritual ties between the two nations. Prime Minister Modi interacted with members of the community before leaving for his scheduled meetings. Prime Minister Modi attended 15th India-Japan Annual Summit and held talks with Japanese Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba with a focus on trade, investment, defense and technology. He also met Japanese industrialists and political leaders. This is a crucial visit amid a downturn in India-US relations over Trump's steep tariffs on India. Prime Minister Modi thanked Japanese Prime Minister Shigeru Ishiba, calling Japan an important partner in India's development story. A key highlight of his speech was the message to Japan inviting them to make in India and make for the world.
मैं आप सबसे आग्रह करता हूं, कम मेक इन इंडिया, मेक फॉर द वर्ल्ड। सुजुकी और डाइकिन की सक्सेस स्टोरीज आपकी भी सक्सेस स्टोरीज बन सकती है। दूसरा है टेक्नोलॉजी और इनोवेशन। जापान टेक पावर हाउस है और भारत एक टैलेंट पावर हाउस है।
Prime Minister Modi also reiterated the message of reform and perform in his speech.
विश्व की तीसरी सबसे बड़ी इकोनॉमी बनने जा रहा है। वैश्विक ग्रोथ में भारत 18% योगदान दे रहा है। भारत की कैपिटल मार्केट्स में अच्छे रिटर्न्स मिल रहे हैं। एक मजबूत बैंकिंग सेक्टर भी है। लो इन्फ्लेशन और लो इंटरेस्ट रेट्स, करीब $700 बिलियन के फॉरेक्स रिजर्व है। साथियों, इस बदलाव के पीछे हमारी रिफॉर्म, परफॉर्म और ट्रांसफॉर्म की अप्रोच है।
Japanese Prime Minister Ishiba praised Prime Minister Modi in his speech.
It is a great honor for me to stand here together with His Excellency Prime Minister Modi at such a moment. I wish to see our bilateral cooperation develop even further into the future.
Prime Minister Modi also met former Japanese Prime Ministers Yoshihide Suga and Fumio Kishida. Modi also received a Daruma doll presented by Chief Priest of Shorinzan Darumaji Temple as a gesture of goodwill between two nations. This was followed by a guard of honor for Prime Minister Modi by Japanese Prime Minister Ishiba. This is Modi's 8th visit to Japan since he took office in 2014 and his first bilateral summit with Japanese Prime Minister Ishiba. Prime Minister Modi will leave for China on August 31st to attend the 25th meeting of the Council of Heads of State of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization.